Okay, so your period is late. Your stomach's in knots. And there's this one question looping in your head. Could I be pregnant? You're not alone. It's scary, it's confusing, and honestly, it's a lot. But let's take this one step at a time. You've got this. Let's talk about how to take a pregnancy test at home. In a way that's simple, private, and real. Step 1. Get a home pregnancy test. You can find them at drugstores, big stores like Walmart or Target, and even online. Most cost under $10, and you don't need a prescription. Step 2. Try to take the test first thing, in the morning. Your pee is more concentrated then, which helps the test work better. Step 3. Read the instructions on the box. Like, really read them. Some tests want you to put your pee on the stick with a dropper. Others want you to pee in a cup and dip the stick in. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes. Then you wait. Step 4. Check your results. Usually, 1 line means not pregnant. 2 lines means pregnant. Always double-check with the instructions. Now what? If it's positive, take a breath. You might feel shocked, scared, confused, even numb. All of that is normal. If it's negative, but your period still doesn't come, wait a few days and take another test just to be sure. No matter what the result says. You don't have to go through this alone. Talk to someone you trust. A parent, a friend, a school counselor, a doctor. There are people who care. And places you can go that will help, without judgment. Taking a pregnancy test doesn't mean you've messed up. Taking a pregnancy test at home is a private, powerful first step. It means you're taking care of yourself. It means you're being brave. Your health matters. You matter. So ask questions. Get answers. And take one small step toward whatever's next. Because no matter what, you've got this.